Hello everyone, my name is Nick and this is Load TV. As always, if this is your first time joining us, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, as well as check out Load.one to learn more about how Load is putting idle silver to work. And if you're already a member, welcome back. Our guest this week is Mahendra Sharma of Mahendra's Prophecy and is best known for predicting the prices of various markets by looking to the stars. It should be a very exciting interview and I'm so glad that you're here to join us. So without further ado, let's dive in. Mahendra, welcome to the show.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Now, Mahendra, I'd like to start by taking a look at the precious metals prices. 2019 has seen significant upside movement for gold to prices that we haven't seen in about 5 years. What's your prediction for the short to medium term for gold?
If you go through my website in the month of April and May, as well as in the 2019 financial predictions book, I clearly mentioned that the gold prices and the silver prices will start moving higher from the end of the April 2019. And the gold will hold 1281, and that exactly happened. I think now I see gold is still remaining in the positive trend until the end of September. October will be this little bit sideways trend, but the November onward, again, the positive trend will start. So I don't think if you ask me what will be the lower side in the gold for the next 2 years, I don't see gold going back to the 1281. That is my baseline. And the upper side, I see a 1471 very soon. I think by end of the September, we will going to see 1471. And next year, still, I'm very bullish on the gold. So there are chances that the gold may see 1681 level. And yeah, so this is for the gold. And the silver, if you're asking me same questions for the silver, then I see a silver prices hitting $17.75 by the end of September. And by December, we may see even the $19. I won't surprise at all. And next year, I may see, I see in my astrocycle theory is going up to the $26.25. So I think nice movement coming in the gold and silver. But if you ask me about the metal stocks, they may trade a little bit volatile. Next year is far better for the metal stocks, metal mining stocks, gold stocks. Those who invest in the gold stocks, they may see a better time ahead in the 2020.
Switching to silver now, silver is presently at the highest point that we've seen in about a year, and it seems to be trying to follow the breakout that gold's had. What are your thoughts on silver at this time?
Definitely, it will going to start moving higher, and that will going to start from the November onwards. So I think that's the reason I'm predicting sharp rise in the silver prices in the 2020 rather than the 2019.
What are the risk factors for prices as you see it?
I don't see at this stage much risk because equity market, they have been moving higher, but it's still the gold and silver also holding the value. The important in my note in 2019, I mentioned that the dollar will start moving lower from the end of the 2019, last quarter of the 2019. And the dollar moving lower may support gold prices and the silver prices. So if you ask me major risk, I don't see really major risk for the investors from here onward, at least for the next, I can say 16 months, 16 months. I'm very optimistic, very positive on the precious metal. After that, yes, again, some negativity will come, but let's talk about the next 16 months,
As you well know, precious metals are sensitive to a variety of factors, including the value of the US dollar. And market experts seem to believe that they can expect a minimum of 25, if not 50 basis point cut from the Fed in their upcoming meeting. What are your thoughts on this?
There's so many factors involved with the Fed meeting because right now the US and China trade war is going on. And many people thinking about that if suppose they don't have any deal, then the Fed may go aggressive on the rate cut. If you ask me, Mahendra, when will be first important point that when will be the trade war solutions will come? I don't see 100% solutions coming anytime very soon. Yeah, definitely there will be some kind of the agreement which I see in the month of September. But I do not see any major agreement like 100% done deal that, okay, there is a deal. So on keeping that point in the mind, and astro cycle for the dollar also looks weak. So definitely it looks like that there are chances that a 2 rate cut may happen this year. So 25 basis point and the 25 basis point in the next another 4 months.
One more important question for you today. I'm curious, we are seeing all-time highs right now in the U.S. equities market, given the fact that the Fed is expected to ease. Now, do you expect this rally to continue, or are we gearing up for a pullback?
Mm-hmm. So I don't see at this stage major pullback. Definitely in 2021, big risky time is coming for the investors. Even the 2020 October, when market can fall drastically. So yeah, so at this stage, I won't recommend traders to bet on the bear market that much. Maybe short-term trade, according to the technicals, you can trade in and out. But I'm not recommending anyone to go aggressive short on the market.
All right, so transitioning now into cryptocurrencies, it's been another volatile year for the crypto market. We saw Bitcoin trading at 14,000 once again, only to go all the way back down below 10,000 and is presently sitting in the 9,000 region. What are your thoughts on the crypto market and where it's heading?
In the previous many note, I mentioned that the 2023 onward, I see a cryptocurrency coming back in the market and taking a sizable, like I can say, the positions, in the financial market, where everyone will be a part of the crypto. So I think I believe that those who want to enter early, they can keep investing in the small money part of their portfolio from here to 2022, and the 2023 onward, I think the crypto will going to take place center part in the financial system.
All right, Mahendra, last question. Thank you so much again for joining us today. We're very grateful to have you. Out of curiosity, we've spoken about a variety of markets today, but if you had to recommend taking a new position in one particular market, which would it be?
In 2020, I see a lot of climatic issue. There will be the problem with the weather conditions. So agriculture commodities looks great. I still like gold and silver, because if the heavy flood or heavy rain in those areas can create some problem for the miners, and the supply can fall drastically. So yeah, the 2020, I'm still very bullish on the commodities, gold and silver. Platinum is my top pick, but that is in 2020. I feel that I see in my theory that the platinum moving up to the 35-40% higher from the current prices in the 2020. So definitely gold, silver, and platinum, these are the great bet at this stage. And I will recommend investors to keep betting on these ones, because great time is coming ahead for the investors. Gold, by the way, I want to let you know that what I am today in the financial market, only because of the gold and silver predictions in 2001, I mentioned about the gold hitting 1,800, silver hitting $50. And these predictions, though many were skeptic, but these predictions gave me the place in the Wall Street. And I was not very positive for the last 3-4 years, 5 years on the metals. I recommended trader to remain sideways. But now, this is first time in 2019, I'm recommending investors to enter back in the metal, precious metals. So I think they are in the right place.
That's all we have for today's interview with Mahendra Sharma of Mahendra's Prophecy. If you'd like to learn more about predictions as told by the stars, you can learn at mahendrasprophecy.com. And as always, if this is your first time joining us, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, as well as check out Lode.one to learn more about how Lode is putting idle silver to work. That's all for today, guys, and take care.